cos power 6x dx sin cube x cos power 6x f of upper limit minus x upper limit minus x sin pi minus x whole cube cos pi minus x whole power 6 plus sin cube x minus power even number is also equal to plus cos power 6x. So same f of x repeat with plus symbol plus fx. So write 2 into 0 to pi by 2 sin cube x cos power 6x dx. I first write m value. First write m. M means m is the sin power, n is the cos power. 2 into 2 by 9 m minus 1 by m plus n. You get directly 2. ఇందాక ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పాను 1 by 2 by వస్తే ఆపేసేయమని చెప్పాను. సో యూ గెట్ డైరెక్ట్లీ 2 by 9. సో యూ రైట్ I0n or I1n. This is depend on m value. See, m value 3. After 2 decrease, you get 1. So I1n. So 2 into 2 by 9 into 1 by 1 plus 6. This is the answer. 4 by 63. 7 into 9, 63. 0 to 2 pi. Sin power 4x. Cos power 6x dx. Both m and n both are even numbers. రెండు కూడా ఈవెన్ నెంబర్లు ఇస్తే కండిషన్ చెక్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు, డైరెక్ట్గా రాసుకుంటూ వెళ్ళిపోయింది. ఒక ఆడ్ నెంబర్ ఉన్నా సరే 100% చెక్ చేయాలి. బోత్ ఆర్ ది ఈవెన్ నెంబర్స్, రైట్ డైరెక్ట్లీ. వీ వాంట్ 0 to pi by 2 limits, right? 2 into 0 to pi, 2 into 2, 0 to pi by 2, sin power 4x, cos power 6x, sin power 4x, cos power 6x dx. 2 pi becomes 2 pi, pi becomes 2 pi by 2. So 4 into I 4 6. 2 into 2 4. I 4 6. M comma n. M value 4. N value 6. 3 by 10. M minus 1 by m plus n. 1 by 8. We write I06 or I16. Observe m value. M value 4, 2, 0. So you write I0n. I0n. I0n 3 by 10, 1 by 8, 5 by 6, 5 by 6, 3 by 4, 1 by 2, pi by 2. F of x, sin power 7x, cos power 6x. F of upper limit minus x, upper limit minus x, sin power 2 pi minus x, whole power 7, cos 2 pi minus x, whole power 6. 360 minus x belongs to Q4. Cos, secant are positives. So sin value negative. Minus sin x. Minus sin x. Whole power 7 plus cos x. Whole power 6 minus sin power 7x cos power 6x. Limits in the form of minus a to a, minus a to a. In this case you check it is even function or odd function. Replace x with minus x. You get plus of x, it is even. You get minus of x, it is an odd function. So f of x equal to sin power 8x cos power 7x. F of minus x sin power 8 minus x cos power 7 minus x. We know that sin of minus theta minus sin theta, cos of minus theta cos theta. So sin power 8x cos power 7x, we get plus fx, plus fx. So 2 into 0 to a sin power 8x cos power 7x dx. Next, we want 0 to pi by 2 limits. So, apply second formula conditions. F of x sin power 8x cos power 7x. F of upper limit minus x sin pi minus x cos pi minus x. Sin 180 minus x plus sin x cos 180 minus x minus cos x. So finally minus sin power 8x cos power 7x అదే స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకుందాం, జాగ్రత్త వినండి. 1 minus x square, 1 minus x square, put x equal to sin theta or x equal to cos theta. 1 minus sin square theta cos square theta, 1 minus cos square theta sin square theta. There is x, so take x equal to sin square theta or x equal to cos square theta. All of you listen. Put x equal to sin square theta, dx value 2 sin theta cos theta d theta. Derivative of the power function, derivative of the sine function. Next, if x value 0, sin 0 0, if x value 0, sin 0 value 0, if x value 1, theta value is pi by 2, sin 90 value 1, sin 90 value 1. All of you listen. 0 to pi by 2, sin square theta whole power 5, 1 minus sin square theta whole power 5 by 2, dx value 2 sin theta cos theta d theta. So integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power 10 theta cos square theta whole power 5 by 2, 2 to cancel, 2 sin theta cos theta d theta. This 2 is this one, 0 to pi by 2 sin power 11 theta, sin power 11 theta cos power 6 theta cos power 5 into cos, totally cos power 6, 0 to pi by 2 limits, sin power m cos power n. So 2 into I 11 6, I 11 6, 2 into 10 by 17, 8 by 15, 6 by 13, 4 by 11, 2 by 9. IMN 2 వస్తే ఆపేసేయండి. I 0n, I 1n, m value 11, 9 7 5 3, we get finally 1. So write I1n, I1n, I1n. So last step, 10 by 17, 8 by 15, 6 by 13, 4 by 11, 2 by 9, I1 7, I1 6. Add these two numbers, 1 plus 6. This is the final answer. All of